Here are 5 important strategies that are used to protect our network from attacks.
Hi, I am Imran Afzal. I make learning technology easy, even for beginners in IT. So I have over 25 years of experience in Linux administration, Windows, virtualization, and many more. I have taught millions of students worldwide.
Install antivirus software. Well, the first line of defense against malware and viruses is installing antivirus software on all your devices. Antivirus software can detect and prevent malicious files from being installed. And it should be updated regularly to tackle the latest threats. So, don't forget to keep it up to date. Create strong passwords. Well, creating strong passwords is crucial for network security. So, make sure your passwords are at least 8 characters long and include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information, like your name or the company's name. This makes it much harder for attackers to guess your passwords. Enforce security policies. Well, implementing security policies can significantly reduce the risk of network attacks. These policies ensures that all devices on the network are protected and that users create strong passwords. For example, a company might require employees to change their passwords every 90 days and restrict access to sensitive areas of the network to authorized personnel only. Policies can also limit user privileges to minimize potential risks. Use firewalls. Well, firewalls are essential for defending networks against security threats. They help prevent unauthorized access by blocking incoming traffic from untrusted sources. Firewalls can also be configured to allow only specific types of traffic, such as web traffic or email. So, they act as a barrier between your network and potential threats. Monitor activity. Well, monitoring the network activity is vital for identifying and responding to potential threats. Keeping track of logs and other data allows you to quickly spot suspicious activity and take steps to investigate and mitigate any threats. This proactive approach helps in maintaining a secure network environment. For example, Splunk is a popular tool for monitoring and analyzing logs. It can alert administrators to unusual activities, such as multiple failed login attempts, indicating a potential brute force attack. Well, following chart is reference to different protocols and their associated ports that can be incredibly helpful for quickly identifying and managing network traffic. Well, I hope you have understand the lecture, and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.
Hey, if you found this tip helpful, then please show some support by hitting that like and subscribe button. Also, let us know what would you like to learn next.